Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and
That
dial
is
again.
not a promising sign. Take 2 on the RM28 winner call. Oh, we got a ring.
This is Sam.
Hey, Sam, my name's Chris. I'm calling from a company called RestoMods.com. Right now, we're in the middle of a giveaway for a 1970 HEMI Cuda. We're giving that car away right now in addition to $50,000 in cash. And my sweepstakes company emailed me this morning with that winner's info, and we're actually calling that winner live right now, and it's you, Sam.
No way.
Yeah.
No, for real?
Well, I know you signed up a couple years back to win the Charger, but how do you feel about a HEMI Cuda?
I'm blown away. I guess it pays off to have a membership.
It does indeed, especially in your case.